Ever seen a video that looks like this? Pretty cool, right? There's more of you and still a lot of screen. Feels more human. But how do you make it? Stick around and I'll show you. Wait a second though, what are these videos even called? Well, it's not really a type of video. It's more a video layout that can be used and works well in certain kinds of videos. It's usually called a side-by-side layout and has become popular during the COVID pandemic because of the increase in online conferences. The format means that content like slides or a screen share can be presented while still placing a lot of emphasis on the speaker, which is perfect for videos that involve a lot of explanation, like presentations, pitches, and updates. So, to make a side-by-side video, we're going to be using Tella, which is a free screen recorder that runs completely in your web browser. Tella is great for turning a humble screen recording into a fun and entertaining video that you'd be proud to share with your viewers. So in this example, I'm going to make a screen and camera recording, but if you want to make a presentation or a tutorial or just a simple video message, the exact same steps apply. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, first we need a Tella account. So go to tella.tv and then you can sign up completely for free. Now to make a video, you just need to click record your first video or this button up here which says record new video. This is the Tella recorder, which is kind of like a mini recording studio inside of your browser. You can see that we've already got our camera connected. Now the next thing we're going to do is share our screen because that's going to give us that side-by-side effect, camera on one side, screen on the other. So to do that, I'm going to click share screen. Then I'm going to pick Notion because I'm going to do a demo of my YouTube video script. Now you can see we've got that coming through and I can do my demo here and you can already see that we've got the side-by-side layout happening. And that's because in Tella, the side-by-side layout is its default layout. So when you record a video, this is what the setup will be. You can use the Tella recorder as a way to monitor your recording if you use a second screen like I'm doing. But if you are just recording on one screen, you can set it up here and then switch away to go and do your demo elsewhere. Maybe it's Notion, maybe it's Figma, maybe it's some presentation slides. All that's left for us to do now is to record a video. So before we do that, we just need to check our microphones connected. You can see mine's coming through there and I've got it selected here and my camera is coming through fine. So now we can just press start recording. That'll give us a countdown that tells us when the recording is about to begin, and then we can go and do a demonstration. Great, now we've recorded a side-by-side screen recording. You can see that our clip has been saved and it's here ready for us to edit. But this is something that's quite cool about Tella, is that you can record multiple clips in a row. So if I wanted to record another clip, I could just press start recording and that'll add a second clip to the video that we're making. You can take it a little bit further and instead of doing a screen recording, we could switch off the screen and perhaps just do a camera recording like this, or maybe something else where we present some slides. It's totally up to you. The key thing is that you can combine multiple clips in one go in one video. Anyway, let's go and edit the clip that we just recorded. So this is the Tella editor and it's where you can customize your video. The first thing you'll notice is that we have our side-by-side layout, which is, like I mentioned before, the default layout inside of Tella. But the cool thing is that you can customize the layout. So right now we have our camera on the right and screen on the left, but if we click on the layout button here, we can switch it around the other way. So we can have a camera on the left, screen on the right. But you can take it even further and go for more interesting layouts that change the positions of your camera and your screen so you can get something fun that matches the type of content that you have. Because I've got a video script on screen that I want to send to someone to review, it's important that they can read the text on screen. So a layout like this is a lot better than a layout like this or this, where the text is much smaller and harder to read. This kind of layout works best when the slides or screen that you have has much bigger, more visible content. Because the text on here is so small, this one's not a great choice for that. So I'm going to switch back to this one. Now, there's a couple other things you can do to customize your video in Tella. You can pick a cool border. So I might go for this one with the dark edges like that. And you can also pick a custom background. You can upload your own, make a gradient, pick a color, even search through all of Unsplash. I think for mine though, I'm gonna go for this one. Another thing you can do to edit your video in Tella is trim it. So if I click on the trim tool here, you can see we go into a new mode and I get this waveform, which gives me a guide of where I can edit my video. So you can see this first part here is just full of silences. So I can click here, press X on my keyboard, and then press delete, and that'll remove that first part. I can also do that by dragging the handle here. And now I can work my way through the rest of the video and remove any parts that I don't want. So let's go and remove the silence here. And then we can delete that. Now we're good to go. All that you need to do is press done, and that'll save the changes. When you're happy with your video, just press finish. Last thing for us to do is to share our video or download it. To share the video, I can click copy link and I can send that over Slack or email or post on social media, wherever I like. The viewers will get a link to this page here and be able to play the video and watch it like that. If you want to publish your video to YouTube or another video platform, just click download and then you'll be able to download an MP4 file. And that's how you create a side-by-side layout video using Tella. You don't just need to create side-by-side, you can pick from any of the layouts, pick the layout that works best for your content. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more of them, please click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!